Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the phone and forcing a clean restart. First, remove any case and external accessories so volume keys aren't stuck. This prevents re-entering safe mode. Once done, press and hold power for 10 seconds to force a reboot on most Samsung models, or power plus volume down for 7-10 seconds if needed. This clears a temporary boot flag. Make sure you watch the screen during restart to note any messages that confirm normal booting. Now focus on what caused safe mode and stop it from recurring. After the reboot, if the safe mode label remains, pull down notifications to see any hints. Sometimes a malfunctioning app or widget prompts safe mode. Restart into normal mode and quickly uninstall recent apps added before the issue, or disable them in Settings right arrow apps. Also inspect physical buttons. Dirt or a jammed volume key commonly triggers safe mode. Clean around buttons gently and retest a normal boot to verify. Finish by clearing residual software issues and knowing fallback options. If uninstalling apps didn't help, boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. This often restores normal booting. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a final step, because that removes deep software conflicts. If the phone still boots into safe mode after a reset, it's likely hardware. Seek Samsung service or a technician. That's your key troubleshooting tip to avoid wasted steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.